Hi, this is John Roberts from Pivotal Software. This video covers the Pivotal Greenplum Cloud Managed features in the GCP Cloud. Let's first get started with the gpmaintain. This tool automates the scheduling and execution of database maintenance tasks. gpcronmaintain runs every 10 minutes checking a configuration file to see if gpmaintain needs to run. So you can easily update the schedule and how often you want gpmaintain to run. gpmaintain needs a log file name, and you pass that in, and you can see that the maintenance includes analyzing the catalog, reindexing it, analyzing user tables, looking for tables with bloat. Moving on to gpoptional, this automates the installation of optional components. Just simply run gpoptional to see the menu of optional components that can be installed. You can see that PHP pgadmin has already been installed. So let's install Command Center. You simply enter the number next to the optional component. gpoptional will now execute all of the commands necessary to install Command Center. This includes restarting the database. No user intervention is needed during the installation process. At this point, the Command Center binaries are being installed. Once complete, you'll see a URL with a username and password so you can log into Command Center to start using the utility. This is the same randomly generated password that was created during the deployment. You log in with the gpmon username, and the password is available on both Google Cloud Platform Deployment Manager output as well as the output here from gpoptional. The last utility is gprelease. This automates the upgrade of database, optional, and cloud components. gpcronrelease is a utility that runs checks for new versions of the database, and then it will update your message of the day to indicate that there's a new version available. Running this manually will update the message of the day when there's a new version available, such as right now. There's a new cloud version, and it updated the message of the day. To see that new message, let's exit and log back in again. You can see new cloud version available. Run gprelease to upgrade. And now the new version has been installed automatically. The message of the day has also been updated to no longer show there's a new version available.